How to format and reinstall Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. To open Settings app, you can simply use Windows plus I shortcut key to open it. After that, from the left hand side menu, go to System, go to Recovery and choose the option of Reinstall Now beside Fix Problem using Windows Update. After that, you will see this prompt. To confirm the reinstall, simply click on OK. Now, in Recovery option again, you will see the option of Reset. Simply click on it, but choose the option of Keep My Files. And now, before you reset your computer or laptop, you simply need to download your data according to your desire. After you have chosen the option, simply click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.